Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we would learn how to solve the practice problem fighting the darkness. So first, let us understand the question and then we would solve it. Basically, we are given an array, okay, array 1. Basically, 3 elements are there, so 1, 1 and 2. Now, basically, every day from the array, we are subtracting 1, okay. So that means on day 1, I did minus 1 on all the elements, so I got 0, 0, 1, okay. Now, on the second day, again, I subtracted minus 1, right? So 0, 0, 0. Now all the values are 0, right? Now how many days did it took to get all the values to 0? That was 2, right? So the output for my question, basically this question, is 2, okay? I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the problem. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal, okay? In practice portal, you need to go to the difficulty section and choose basic. After that, you need to find the problem fighting the darkness. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve, okay? Let's see. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. 1 minute. Okay, now the question is given an array of size n representing the size of candles which reduce by 1 unit each day, that is minus 1. The room is illuminated using the given n candles. Find the maximum number of days the room is without darkness. This is the question and we need to code it over here. Okay, so let's start. Give me 1 minute. So first step is I would sort the given array. So array dot sort. Okay. Now every day we are subtracting 1 from array, right? So I can just return with what? Array n minus 1. Okay. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. So let's see. Compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay. Let's wait. Let's see. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem fighting the darkness. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.